with these kinds of projects because it doesn't matter.
Now loading the film. Is that what we're doing?
Except I'm not going to do it here. I'm going to do it someplace smaller.
Oh. Yeah. That's really good. Yeah. 4 minutes.
Camera log.
That place that I was.
Oh, so there's 4 people, so it's 4,000.
Yeah. As long as we don't have it just coming from one direction, it won't look bad like too much shadow. That's a little intense.
Yeah, well, we can.
We'll need
Lights.
yeah, over here.
Are you filming?
And then
Yeah.
this 300 in the
You're
back.
taping the filming? Is that for your home?
Yeah, it would be
Jason, wanna practice
interesting.
sneezing?
Huh?
I'm gonna practice sneezing.
No.
Actually, you know, like shake your head, you know what I mean? Like, or like,
We'll rehearse it.
Your storyboard shows.
actually, you know what? Do you have a
Do
tissue?
your big round face like this. That's it.
With like hollow eyes, no pupils.
Kleenex, so there's paper towels over there.
Yeah, that's good, fine. One that's white and looks like
It should look like
Black and
it.
white.
It's figured out. Okay. I mean, it's in your hand from the start, as if you're never like reaching over and getting it.
Okay.
Okay, it's fine. Just don't look at the camera.
Just don't look at the camera, look at the plug-in.
You saw Raccoon for a Dream, right?
Yeah.
What movie?
Oh, is she filming now?
No.
Oh, you're not.
What movie?
Oh, no, I'm not talking to you. So
Okay.
proceed. Did you see the making of sorta on the DVD? Did you see the? Oh, you saw it in the
I
theater,
saw it
right?
in
Oh,
theaters.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, you ready, Jace? And go.
Is the making up good?
Well,
no,
it's-
sorry.
It's kind of just like amateur video.
I know. I mean, it'll be experiment when I get my film back.
Well, after we're done with this experiment, I say we go for the speed of light.
That's a,
All right,
that's
You
the
stand
next
there, I'll
one.
stand there. We just throw it really fast.
You're fucking crazy.
I like this shot. Are you gonna be able to see enough steam?
Also, the other thing I'm thinking of is somebody can stand here with like a cardboard something to trap the steam so that there's more in the shot. Do you know what I mean?
Right.
If it was a darker background, you'd be.
Unfortunately, I didn't think to put this over here.
So put it there.
But we
It's
already
too
have
late,
a shot of
right?
it I mean, I don't think anybody would notice.
Oh, you're right.
But still.
So rewind the film.
And reshoot.
Double exposure.
Double exposure.
It'll just look like there's two. If he does it exactly the same, it'll just look like there's two of these.
So you need like a
Unless-
special key to do that, right? To backwind the
Well,
film.
that's one of these
That
things,
looks like
right?
nothing compared to the lights.
Yeah, but I think you need like a special
got-
like
you
key
got it,
that
nice.
not anybody can get.
Oh, I see.
I don't know. It's like you have to
Oh,
be
I see.
special.
See what
There's
happens.
no steam coming
Just keep it up.
out. We should just stop production.
Yeah, take my
I think you
ass.
have enough.
Live with it.
Right, this.
I
Right.
think we've got enough so far.
Just the rest of black.
Right now we have two. Web nose. That's it.
It was a pretty sneeze,
See,
Jason.
like, C, A plus B. A, we have man. B, we have booger. C,
We got grossness.
we've got booger in pocket. That's the only problem you would have would be the duration.
Right, the light will come off. Okay.
That's because cops like to beat people with that.
Interesting.
Right, if the head
If
fell
the
off,
head
it
falls
would be
off,
very
yeah.
helpful.
The mini mags.
They might
the top
break
control.
the.
It doesn't work the same with these.
No.
Okay. It's like
And we
right,
got a
try to
Problem
make-
here,
try
we're
and make
trying
the
to
steam.
no, because
figure out how to
he
film
basically
the
trying to make
steam
the
that
steam
comes
at
out of the
exposure
tea
and
kettle.
If I cross the steam like this,
Hit a little
it's not
snag in
touching
the
that, it's, like, right
project
above it,
now.
I wonder what it would look like.
Let's turn it on.
because you want the steam to be at exposure and
Right. That's the focus. Yeah.
Right. Which and right now it's the kettle's eye exposure.
You got steam.
If I put it on high, will it make more steam or less?
Just on the whole thing of video.
So like, does this make a difference? Are you looking?
To help you all?
If there's just some way we could get it from. I mean. No, actually, not helping. Okay. It's okay. It was my fault. I forgot to turn it off as soon. Has it caught it? No?
Yeah. Just keep saying.
It's tilting.
Yeah.
Anybody's just wondering how to do this.
Next week, early.
And action.
Well,
Yep.
Good?
good.
All these shots are extremely quick.
That was like, wait, that was 6 seconds.
I'm cutting actually.
Why don't I hold this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
How tough is it to make one of these?
Can you just get?
The only annoying part.
Sorry.
Yeah.
If you just point this light at this or something, somehow to get a reflection onto his face, it's not a direct light, or whatever you think is best to get his light face a little lit up. There's enough light to shoot.
We
I
need a
just don't
flex
want.
phone.
I know we didn't
Damn it.
take one out. Unfortunately. Flex
I
phone.
didn't
Yeah, but
use
you can use.
They're these
You
cool
can use like a white sheet or something.
Right, if you have like a white key of, poster board.
Get your poster.
You have a white piece of poster board, don't you?
Get the poster. The
Facts.
Blade Runner.
Does aluminum foil work?
That would be
Or is that
really
just
bright.
Because I brought some with me yesterday just in
Like
case, because
Yeah.
I realized I didn't
Like,
have
it wouldn't.
flex fill, but
It's it's the parallel beams. Just remember that.
What?
You don't want.
Parallel beams. We don't want parallel beams.
Oh.
Light.
Lens also if I was keeping.
yeah, I should probably write that
You have to
down.
record every shot.
Sit at it.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know.
Makes it so much easier.
Will keep liking everything? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Like
Just-
the diagrams
just so that, like,
you
when-
record.
Like we get it back. It's
Can you just take it like me?
We're using paper towels to diffuse the light right now. For all you home viewers,
This light mirror is not locking over.
if you're just joining us now, we're not using 2-ply, but 1-ply.
And it only covers half the light.
You're still filming.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, really.
Just can't put the camera down.
Alright, you ready, Jason?
We're about to film
Okay.
the last
And-
sneeze shot of the sneeze sequence. Sorry.
The last sneeze.
Take one.
And Jason, wipe that smile.
Compose yourself.
Okay, you ready? Just tell me when you're ready. And And ready? And action.
Because the spring is
A
turning this way,
glitch
so it was going that way.
averted.